Sanbonani Dumelang, hello, my name is Malwanda and welcome to my channel. As you see by the title, you know what time it is. So, I know, I just did this maybe 3 or so days ago and I thought I would make it to the end of the week. But man, the mistake I made was to buy my hair fiber. I bought my hair fiber before my trip to Joburg, so like it's definitely been a week and a half or so. And since I've been back, I just stare at it. I've been looking at it the whole entire week. Like, what do you mean I'm just supposed to look at this hair and not be tempted to do it with immediate effect? No ways, no ways. So yeah, I am doing it. It is Saturday today. It is around 10:30 in the morning. And I can't fight it anymore. I cannot wait any longer. If you're a girl, then you know, at the end of the day, I'm just a girl. These are called Gypsy Locks. These ones in particular are 20 inches in length. They are by the brand Meisha Hair. Now, I don't know this brand. I got this from my local hair supply store. And this is what was there in terms of the color that I wanted. This fit my requirements. I will also be using Marley Hair by Darling. Also bought this from my local beauty hair supply store. I'm first going to unravel. Actually, I'm gonna unravel all of my hair. Let's do it. A moment for my hair. What? If you've been watching this channel and this journey for the past couple of months, since my big top in April, you'll understand why I'm this excited. Let's go pre-pot. This is the first technique. So you're going to take your crochet hook, take half of your twist of your actual hair, pull it through just like that, and then with the lock now in the middle, you're going to continue to twist the rest. I am twisting half of my hair because when I need to take this down, girl, I am not trying to struggle. Then you're going to put your crochet hook through the base, close it, pull your hair through just like that. Then you take your Molly hair that you had fluffed out and you start wrapping from the base. Try to leave a little bit of space to create less tension on your scalp. And then you're just going to twist a few times at the base, then twist all the way down up until you cover your hair and a little bit of the lock. You saw that there's extra Molly hair. I thought I would tuck it in that way, but I decided against that. And just keep wrapping down up until you cover that extra Molly hair. And then you're going to start wrapping back up until you've basically covered the hair strand that you're using. If you still have Molly hair poking out from the other half, you're just going to wrap it around where it is, wrap that together, and bam, the lock is done. So I kind of felt a bit of tension at the base. This led me to just trying to ease that up. My scalp is very sensitive. If your scalp is sensitive, make sure you ease up on the tension. This is the second method, which I found to be easier. We're going to start by putting in the lock on the crochet hook as we did the first time. However, this time I have twisted my hair all the way down. Then I'm going to pull in that hair that is twisted through the lock. Then again, the crochet hook at the base and pull my hair through, and then continue as we did with the first lock, where we're just going to wrap around the molly hair again. Leave some space between your scalp and where you start wrapping. I know it looks tight. I promise you it is not. Okay, it's not. If you feel like it's tight, do what I did the first time, where you just manually loosen up that lock, and there again, we're done. Let's do it together one more time. Put the lock onto the crochet hook, and then towards the bottom, put in your hair into the crochet hook in order to pull your hair through the loop of the lock. Then at the base, we're going to put in that crochet hook in order to pull through your hair. You're going to attach it to the crochet hook, pull it through, put the crochet hook down, and then pull your hair to basically make it the length that you want. Yeah, this is also a really cool way of extending your lock. And then there you go. You're going to wrap it around with the molly hair. Don't forget to continue to fluff out your molly hair, separate it. The trick here that got me to have locks that are not bulky at the base is by using very little molly hair. So separate that molly hair into about 2 pieces, let's say. Kangaka izulu. It is the next day and we are done. I've just come back from church. I tied them back, but this is my faux locks loosened. I love them so much. I love them to bits and pieces. Oh, what a style. What a lightweight hairstyle. Like, what do you mean? I do have a middle part, but I laid them to the side. Faux locks are stiff for a couple of days or even up to 2 weeks. So you just have to let them settle, which is what I'm going to be going through. But to be honest, the pain levels are actually slightly less than what I would have when I do knotless braids, surprisingly enough. So yeah, I love it. I love it. They are so light. They are so light, which is perfect because it's definitely summertime. And I like the texture. So we will see how they carry as the weeks go by. I can't wait for them to start looking old and, you know, slightly worn out. Yeah, I look forward to that. As always, you know, I like to emphasize the importance of scalp care. So all I did this morning was to go in with this braid spray on my scalp, just to nourish my scalp again after everything I was doing to it yesterday. You can also use an oil if that's what you like. Just whatever it is that you use something on your scalp for the pain, for easing the tension, and just to re-nourish your scalp, because like I said, you've just been doing a whole lot to it. And that is essentially the basic maintenance. Yeah, but this is the style. I used basically all 2 packs. There was just a little bit left, maybe 4 or 5 locks left from the second pack. Otherwise, all the Darling Molly hair I basically used. There was like 1 strand remaining. But yeah, I'm very happy with these. 10 out of 10 recommend, at least for day 1. I recommend these. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next one.